Friends, today we are going to discuss about problems on EPS. We already discussed what is EPS. So let's directly move from the problem. A firm is an all equity capital structure consisting of 1 lakh ordinary shares of 10 rupees per share. The firm wants to raise 2,50,000 to finance its investments and is considering three alternative methods of financing: to issue 25,000 ordinary shares at 10 rupees, to borrow 2,50,000 at 8% of dividend, to borrow 2,50,000 at 8% of interest. EBIT after additional investment or 3,12,500 and tax rate is 50%. To calculating earning per share for equity shareholders, debenture holders and preferential holders. Here the EBIT is 3,12,500. Okay, first we pay interest to the debenture holders 8%, to borrow 2,50,000 at 8% of interest. So 2,50,000 into 8 by 100, 20,000. We deducting 20,000 from EBIT. So the PBT means profits before tax 3,12,500, 2,92,500 and 3,12,500. Less next we deduct tax. Tax rate is 50%. We calculate tax on this amount 3,12,500 into 50 by 100. So 1,56,250. Next we calculate tax on 2,92,500. The amount is 1,46,250. And finally preferential capital. We calculate tax 3,12,500. So the tax amount is 1,56,250. And these amounts are the PAT. PAT means profits after tax. And next one we deducting dividend. To borrow 2,50,000 at 8% of dividend. We calculate dividend on preferential capital. 1,56,000 into 250 by 8 by 100. So the amount is sorry for the disturbance. We calculating dividend on this amount 2,50,000, to borrow 2,50,000 at 8% of dividend. So 2,50,000 into 8 by 100. The amount is 20,000. We deducting this dividend in from this amount PAT, profits after tax. Okay, 1,56,250, 1,46,250 and 1,36,250. And finally we calculating the earning per share for equity shareholders and debenture holders and preferential holders. The total shares in organization is 1 lakh ordinary shares and to issue 25 ordinary shares. Okay. Total shares in organization is 1 lakh, but additionally to issue 25,000 ordinary shares. Ordinary shares means equity shares. Okay. We add this 25,000 shares only equity shareholders. Remaining debenture holders and preferential holders we calculated, we divided only 1 lakh. Okay. 1,25,000. 1 lakh. 1 lakh. The total shares in organization 1 lakh. But to issue 25,000 ordinary shares. Ordinary shares means equity shares. Okay. We only add that 25,000 shares in only equity capital. So earning per share is 1.25 rupees, 1.46 and 1.36. Earning per share for equity shareholders is rupee 1 rupee 25 paisa, and debenture holders is 1 rupee 46 paisa, and preferential holders is 1 rupee 36 paisa.